I made over $4,500 from YouTube in just 1 month. No luck, no connections, and I didn't even show my face. But here's the truth. If you miss just one of the steps I'm about to show you, you'll struggle to make even a single dollar. So pay close attention. Let's start with the biggest mistake most people make. They create videos they want to make instead of videos people are already searching for. That was my first shift. I stopped guessing and started researching. I went on YouTube, searched for videos in my niche, and looked for ones with high views, but relatively small channels. That's where the opportunity is. Then I asked myself one simple question. Why did this video blow up? Was it the idea, the title, the thumbnail? And instead of copying, I improved. Better hook, clearer value, more engaging delivery. That's step 1. Make content people are already proven to watch. Now step 2. This is where most people fail hard. Your title and thumbnail. Listen carefully. Your video could be amazing, but if nobody clicks, it's dead. I used to spend as much time designing the thumbnail as I did making the video itself, because the goal is simple. Make people curious enough that they have to click. Not clickbait, but curiosity. For example, instead of saying, how to make money on YouTube, say something like, I made $4,500 with 12 videos. Here's exactly how. See the difference? Specific, intriguing, irresistible. Now step 3, and this is critical. Watch time. YouTube doesn't just care about clicks. It cares about how long people stay. So what did I do? I stopped giving all the answers at the beginning. Instead, I opened with a strong hook. Something like, there's one strategy that made me 80% of this money, and almost nobody talks about it. Now the viewer is hooked. They stay because they want that answer. And throughout the video, I keep creating small curiosity gaps. This keeps retention high, and higher retention equals more reach. Step 4, timing. Most people upload randomly. I didn't. I posted when audiences in the US and Europe were active. Why? Higher CPM, more engagement, more growth, even if you're not in those countries. Your audience can be. And finally, step 5, consistency. Not motivation, not inspiration, consistency. Some of my videos flopped hard, but I kept posting. Because on YouTube, you don't need every video to win. You just need one to hit. And when it does, it can change everything. Now here's the part nobody tells you. Your first videos, they won't be perfect. Mine weren't. But every video made me better. Better editing, better storytelling, better hooks. And that's the real game. Improvement over time. So if you're watching this right now, don't wait. Don't overthink. Don't try to be perfect. Just start. Make one video today, because that one video could be your first step to your first $4,500, and maybe a lot more.